And then let's say you want to blend. Here's a blending technique. I'm going to add some purple. I'm going to come in with some purple in this. And then I usually have 2 or 3 brushes at once, so I can, but it's got to be a dry brush. It really does.
I recommend that you gather together some dry materials. Perhaps that is charcoal, pencils, pens, crayons even, soft pastels, or oil pastels. And if you're not sure what those are and you have some time and you want to order those before you begin, you might consider and research and look. And maybe you gather some paint. For this particular experience, house paint or acrylic paint, brushes, chip brushes, 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch that you get at the hardware store. Or maybe you have more expensive brushes that you have invested in. Go ahead and gather those. I use a printmaking paper, or you could get a Strathmore if you're wanting to invest some more money. And 150 pound or heavier, because it will take the paint and you can work for a while.
My job is to really cultivate what the individual is moving towards. Anything Goes is mixed media, and how I came about making mixed media, it sort of found me more so than I found it. When I was in graduate school over 20 years ago, I had an instructor who said, really know your limitations, because your limitations, in many ways, if you're wanting to be an artist, can become your greatest strengths. And so all the materials that we're beginning are beginning. See these diagonals? That's got the most movement. Horizontals are like looking at a landscape. It's calming. Verticals are like standing at attention.